Hey y'all, we're running out of sunlight. We better get cooking. And guess who's here? It's Baja the Wonder Dog. Hi Baja. The internet has missed you. She's making a special guest appearance. Baja, you want to say hi? How about you, Fred? You got anything to say? Fred's here too. Oh boy, Fred. He's so happy. Are you happy, Baja? Baja is happy. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, so we've got some chicken, we got some veggies, we got some seasonings, and we've got rice. Doesn't that look good? Yum! So let's make some fried rice. Chicken and fried rice. The chicken was fresh, organic. Some kind of chicken meat thighs. Cut it up, and what did I do with it? I did something with it. I put some soy sauce on, and a little bit of seasoning, mostly the soy sauce, and it looks really tender and delicious, and the dogs are very excited. Right, Baja? Baja hasn't seen me doing with this setup, and she's confused. Usually the dogs crawl under the griddle to see what I'm cooking. This is pre seasoning. I'm trying just to be a little different this time. Got the chicken going. This is its thighs. There's a little bit of fat, but it's going to taste so good, Fred. Fred is under the griddle this very moment, looking for scraps. Baja is sitting and waiting for the internet to throw the ball. Can you even see my head? I know my head's probably cut off, but this is the handsome part of me anyway. Right, Baja? So if you can't see up here, I'm just showing off my best profile. I'm still new at this whole setting from this camera angle thing. Guess I could set it back a little further so my head wouldn't be cut off. Or raise it or something. But you gotta see the meats. So the rice just came out of the cooker. It was not refrigerated. Regular viewers already know. What do I do with my rice? I toast it. I set I have an Emeril pressure air fryer, and I set it to saute and dump in the rice dry and toast it. And it starts to change color a little bit, brown a little, and you get a little bit of nutty flavor. It gets the moisture out. And then you cook it like normal. And no sticking, no whatever. Comes out very good. We don't run out of gas. I know I'm low. Anyway, it's a gas. All right now, don't eat the grass. Rice. I also add a spoonful of better than bouillon, which really goes good with the chicken. And I sprinkle a little bit of Trader Joe's Green Goddess seasoning. And yeah, it gives it a nice little pop. And then when you open the pressure air fryer lid, and those lovely aromas pop out at you, man, it's just so good. It's so aromatic. So this is obviously going to take a few more minutes. I could waste your time rambling, or I could pause here and have you come back in a minute. Although there's always the view. Yeah, we'll let you take a break. And I'll try to figure out if my head's chopped off. Be right back. Okay, I don't know if I fixed it or not or made it worse, but we got cooking to do. So, my vegetables this time. Garden vegetable hash from Trader Joe's. Cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, fire roasted corn, celery, and yellow onion. I used it in soup the other day, and it was yummy. Let's see how it works in a stir fry. Huh? It's gonna smell good. So, you know, a lot of times I'll use frozen meat, and if you're a regular, and I know you are, frozen meats, frozen vegetables, frozen blah blah blah, just to make it a quickie whatever. And this didn't take any more time. I did cheat still with the pre-chop, not pre-chop, they're just chopped. Stop the misuse of the pre-vex, preheated. No, it's just heated, it wasn't preheated. Anyway, I'll stop ranting now. I are good at English. So, oh, Fred's back, looking for scraps. Scrappy little Fred and Baja. I'm surrounded by dogs under my feet. Anyway, it took a little time to chop the chicken, but I think being fresh and fresh veggies, it's gonna be so good. Everything is smelling so good right now. Gonna go a little bit more on the stuff here, because my lovely assistant loves a nice little char on her chicken. Could have even gone a little longer before I added the veggies, but we want the veggies to get a little bit of this yummy mix too. Right, Baja? I can't throw the ball. Ask the internet to throw the ball. Internet, please throw the ball for the puppy. Look at all the color in it. Oh man, it smells so good. So good. So good. So good. I got you. Hi. A little bit more of the green. Bring out the flavor of the veggies. Usually, I'll use my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. blend. But I'm going with Greek just for the aromatics and I love Greek food. Isn't that a good enough reason? Of course it is. Okay, let's kick the ball. Silly puppy. And Fred's left us again because there were no scraps to scrounge. Scrappy little scrap scrounger. And go down maybe just a little bit of Earl. Just a little bit of the soup. There, I will wash away those tears. Just a little. Okay, we got the rice. Oh, it's still hot. go ahead and try to get that in there. Scrappy little Fred the Scrap Scrubber is back. Scrounger. He's visiting next door with little humans that are playing in a pool. So if you hear little humans, that's what the noise is. Right, Baja? Love the little bit of char we get on the rice. There's a word for it, at least with Spanish, paella. And I have no idea what it is, but it makes it good. So good, so good, so good. I got you. Okay, I think we're ready to start blending. I think this is going to be one of my better non-seafood related fried rices. You notice, even though the rice is still hot from the cooker, no clumping, no lumping, no refrigeration. It came out great. So you don't have to try it my way, but you should. I'm not often right, at least that's what I'm told. No. Baja says I'm right, so I must be right sometimes. Right, Baja? Now, ooh, green and red hatch chili flakes. I love this stuff. I put it on like everything. Oh, this one hasn't been opened. I bought a spare for my outdoor cooking. In case, sometimes Trader Joe's gives you something great and then takes it away again the next day, and you're stuck for a whole year without it. Open. Oh. Yeah, that worked. Right, Baja? I'm under the careful supervision of Baja the Wonder Dog, the former co-host of Griddle Porn. Oh, it smells so good. It's not as spicy as red pepper flakes, being hatch chili, but still gives a nice little spice without overpowering. And what else are we going to add? We happen to have some General Tso's Stir Fry sauce from Trader Joe's. I know, Baja. I asked them. They're not throwing the ball for you. Let's finish this bottle off. Gives it a nice little flavor, a little bit of tang. My main ingredient, hoisin. This is my main stir fry, fried rice, whatever sauce, and it's good. I don't use soy, except I used it to marinate the chicken. But I don't cook with it just because. You're welcome to add it to yours. Welcome to add it at the table. Sprinkle it on if you need it. But no one ever needs it when I cook. Because it's so good. So good. So good. real nice. Sugar and spice. Okay. Got this stirring up pretty good. Almost out of sunlight. What else are we missing? Ooh. The finishing sauce. We need finishing sauce. We need finishing sauce. Sesame oil. Don't cook with it. It's a finishing sauce. You just sprinkle a little on at the end just to give it a little pop. So you still get that bright sesame flavor. And my final secret ingredient, saison. Gives it a nice little flavor. A little bit of extra spice there. And we're almost done. I just have to stir this. I'm good at stirring things up. Uh-oh, almost lost my chicken. Oh, that's good. So I get a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty, plus all the other ingredients. Like I said, being fresh chicken, of course thighs are the tastiest part. My lovely assistant is, she prefers white meat. Because she doesn't understand how tasty the dark meat is. But maybe she'll believe me after trying this. Right, Baja? Another good stir. And ladies and gentlemen, we have supper. Ta-da! Hold on, I know you want a closer look. Make sure I'm not lying, because you don't believe me. Hold on. You ready? Extreme close-up, extreme close-up, extreme close-up. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, looky there. Looky there. So colorful and it smells so good. Okay, that's all for today. Baja, you have anything to say before you go back home and leave us? I love you, pretty puppy. Well, at least she's sitting pretty for you, internets. Good girl. Okay, that's it. Enough dogging around. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, thumbs upping, hearting, all that wonderful stuff you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!